Today we'll do Halacha Yudaled. The professional writers, the writers of a Tefillin and Mezuzos, they actually make on the Tefillin, scribes, they actually on the Tefillin themselves, their scroll, they make three kinds. Because in the Tefillin, as you look, you have four parshas. As we said, you have Parsha Shema, Voyem Shemoya, Kadesh Libchoil, Voyokir V'Yecho. Now some chapters are longer, some are more shorter. So what they used to do, they used to do three types of scroll. One was very thick, and in that they used to write Parsha Shema because it was very short. So like this, when you put it, all of them can be equal in the whole. Second Parsha is what Voyim Shema, that was a little bit thinner than that. And then Kadesh Likol B'chol and Voyokir V'Yecho, those two parshas, since they're really long, you can make it very thin. So then when you put it in, it's all equal. So that gives a beautiful beauty for the Tefillin. So the Tefillin are heavier than equal, and some of them you write more, some you write less. So at least it looks like very nice. It's called Noi L'Tefillin. Today, they don't do that. They do all the same scroll, same. So what they do is if you have, it's less word, so actually, whatever is left over, you just leave it empty. It's called Gvil. You leave it empty. So like this, that's what they do today. They make the same thing, everything is equal, and just if you have a couple of lines, it's shorter, so a couple of lines will be empty. But at least also you have also the noi of Tefillin. Especially the Mishnah Berurah said that it's not exactly correct because instead of Voyim Kiyavyecho, he says Voyim Shumayim. They made a mistake in that. Okay. Second halacha is the Machlokes Yerushalmi, probably the Bavli. If you have the Chatchila scroll that has a hole in it, so since when you actually write the letters, has to be gevil, means empty space wide, surround the letter, all four sides. Now what happened when you actually wrote it was okay, but after that, fell a hole in it. So in the beginning, you shouldn't do it. But what happened, after you already wrote it, you have it, and then you have a hole in it. It's good or not? So this is the next halacha, Tesvav. If after you actually wrote it, has a hole in it, well, let's say the mem, the mem is completed and has a hole in it. So it's not really a full letter because inside doesn't have the grill, doesn't have the white surrounded. Yeah? So even part of it or all of it, yeah? So according to the Mechaber, but that's the source of the Shas. We say the word, Rashi, Rambam, Chule, they hold that the Bavli, that it's kosher. The Yerushalmi argues on it. The Yerushalmi says that also inside has to have grill, has to be white, and that's why if you have a hole inside, it doesn't make a difference if it was before you start to write it, or even after you actually wrote it. Since right now the mice is a hole, so when the hole became, then it makes it that it's not kosher. Now, this is one issue. So in order to understand that's half of the halacha, I'm just going to say two introductions. First thing is, every letter in the Tefillin has to be the right shape, as it has to be able to read it. Yeah, that letter. Otherwise, it's possible. Doesn't make a difference if you wrote it, if it became after that, doesn't make a difference. When you want to have a scroll or a letter in the film, it has to be the letter, has to be completed. Now, every letter besides that you have the letter has to be surrounded, has to have white. So you can see this is, every letter has an entity on its own. You have to have chashivas on its own. Now, otherwise it's possible. Now, in the letter himself is machlokes, between the Baal and the Yerushalmi. If the surrounded means the white surround the letter has to be only outside, has to be white, but inside the letter, let's say the Samech or the Hey, can be what? Doesn't have to have the white inside. If you have it, it's nice, but if you didn't have it, let's say there's a hole between all that, it doesn't make a difference. But the Yerushalmi says not only the outside has to have surround the grill, also the inside also has to have the white stuff on it, otherwise it's possible. Okay? Now there's a big difference when you're actually writing, if it was in the beginning, had a hole in the beginning, or not that you want to write, so then there's a reason we said that is a psul. But after you wrote it, if it became a hole, or it got ripped, or whatever it is, so that comes out, says the Mishnah Berurah, that will be kosher. Now, another thing is, as I said, most of the poskim doesn't pass like Yerushalmi. Besides the Yerushalmi, that has to have also inside empty. So most of it says if it doesn't have the inside empty, it's a hole in the middle, it's kosher. But the Yerushalmi says it has to be inside and outside has to be gvil, has to be empty. Otherwise, the white, when you write a letter, it says the black is the letter, and surrounded is the white, has to be what? Has to be inside and outside, has to be white. So maybe if you have a hole, it's possible. Okay? So this is the beginning. In Be'ez Hashem tomorrow, we'll learn this halacha more. Now that we have more the concept in the musagim, tomorrow Be'ez Hashem, we'll learn this halacha. Have a good day today.